Atomic Wallet cherishes what its large and friendly community contributes to the project, so we released our underlying ERC20 token called Atomic Wallet Coin. You can trade AWC on IDEX, one of the largest decentralized exchanges. Let's do it. Go to the IDEX market, click on the Unlock Wallet and import your private key to have access to your funds, or click on the New Wallet button and create the new Ethereum address to account on IDEX. Create a strongly encrypted password to generate the wallet, download a key store file and get your private key. Remember that the key store file cannot be restored, so save it in a secure and secret place. Click on the Return to Exchange button. Now you need to top up the wallet. Copy your public key and top up your IDEX wallet with Ethereum by sending ETH from your wallet to it. Once ETH is received on your wallet, you can deposit it on IDEX to start trading. Click on the Deposit button, set an amount and gas price, click Deposit and confirm. Wait until your deposit is finished, and now you can go to the trading desk, choose the limit or market order, set the amount and click Buy. Look how simple it is! In your full balance list, you will see the amount of AWC you've just bought. If you wish, you can withdraw this amount to your AWC wallet address on Atomic. Atomic is not gonna stop on IDEX. We're also available on Ether Delta and will make our way to other exchanges. Stay tuned with Atomic Wallet and follow our updates.